we'll be talking about dividing fractions. The problem I'm looking at reads 2/7 divided by 1/3. The first step in dividing fractions is to change it into a multiplication problem. Take the first fraction, 2/7. It stays exactly what it was, 2/7. The division sign changes and becomes a multiplication sign. The second fraction, 1/3, we take the reciprocal, or we flip the fraction, and it becomes 3/1. And if you remember from the multiplication video, when we're multiplying fractions, we multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. Now, anytime you're working with fractions, you always need to make sure that your final answer is reduced to lowest terms. So is there any number that both 6 and 7 can be divided by? And the answer is no. 6 and 7 have nothing in common. So my final answer for this problem is 6/7. Let's try that again. The second problem reads 5/8 divided by 3/4. Keep the first number exactly the way it reads, 5/8. Change the division sign into a multiplication. Take the reciprocal or flip the second fraction, and it becomes 4/3. And now we multiply straight across. 5 times 4 is 20. 8 times 3 is 24. Is there any number that both 20 and 24 can both be divided by? Well, I see they're both even, so that means I can divide them both by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And we repeat that process. Is there any number that both 10 and 12 can be divided by? Well, I can divide them both by 2 again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And I look at that. Is there any number that both 5 and 6 can be divided by? No, 5 and 6 have nothing in common. So my final answer is 5/6.